Okay, hello traders, this is the Wolf with another SNR video, and this time we're going to do some big explanation on rejection. As the first video, I think rejection for one video learn is not enough, and I'm going to do some trades based only on support and resistance. So I'm not going to cover what we did in the past. We're going to look at everything together. And first, let me do the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So let's look at the OTC market today. And EMAs, BB, Bollinger Bands, everything is in place. So we're going to do some live trading on SNR based on current price action. So currently you can see the market direction is currently upwards. So we are not going to go against the market direction. We're just going to wait for good trades that we can use SNR and Bollinger Bands, EMAs to actually support price action. So we have a round level here, we see rejection coming in. So I'm going to show you some live trades so you can actually understand the candle behavior and understand a bit better about rejection. So let's watch the live candle. So currently market is going upwards. We have the 50 EMA and BB 2 deviation upper line. Market is crossing the line, but we have to see how the candle behaves around this round level. Candle closes below the round level. Okay, so you can see the round level is respected. Market is out of the 2 BB area. This candle opens at the 2 BB, triggering sellers downwards. So we're going to just wait, and hopefully I can show you just one or two good trades. So we had a good rejection here. That was a good rejection from it's another round level 1.63500, providing support at the moment. Remember, market direction is currently upwards. So we're going to do some trades with respect to current price action following market direction. So hopefully I can show you some good SNR trades. So let's see what happens. Okay, broke the level. So now we have sellers strong entry here. So let's just plot the body reversal. So we can see 50 EMA was respected here, and you can see respect coming in from the 50 EMA, and also from the BB1 deviation, triggering buyers. You see rejection from here and here. So it's kind of like a squeeze area. So we just have to be a little bit patient to wait for the area to clear. And always remember one thing, okay? Support and resistance is not only to be used as a reversal trade, which I know many of you are only looking at support and resistance as a reversal, not as a continuation. So the purpose of the video, I want to show you how to use support and resistance with respect to current price action. So you can see this round level is respected. Fake breakout, market came back in. Now currently it looks like the market direction is down. So let's see whether we can get some good trades so that I can show you one or two good trades. Okay, we have a round number here. Body reversal from here. You can see this week shows us that the 20 EMA is respected. This week also shows us 20 EMA respect. So let's see if we can execute our first trade. Okay, 20 EMA broke. We have a strong round level here. So now currently from these candles you can see the direction is actually downwards, waiting for rejection. Okay, I'm going to take it. So we see that the 20 EMA is actually respected, but you can see this level is triggering bias, but currently now the direction is downwards. So the best is to get a good entry point at the 20 EMA, and you can see the 20 EMA, every time the market touches the 20 EMA, you see a rejection coming, but you can see the moment it tries to cross here, you have a rejection coming back up. So it shows you that this is now the support and this is now the resistance based on current price action, and we are following market direction which is downwards. So a perfect example of following the market using SNR trade. So the problem with a lot of traders is when they look at the SNR trade and they see the market going down, they are looking for a point which they can actually call. So they are actually looking for reversal trades using SNR, which is not very advisable. It's better to follow the market direction with a continuation trade using support and resistance with rejection. So now currently market is coming down. So I told you we need to go so far back. So I'm just going to stick to say until here. So we got a good rejection here. So let's find the level that is being respected, which is 300, 1.63300. Okay, market yellow. Candle opened with a gap below, closed here but opened here. So when you have a gap, it is not advisable to trade unless you really understand what's happening. Okay, so don't blindly, just because you saw a gap and then you just do a put trade from here. It's risky because you do not know what is actually happening until you get proper confirmation. So you have a body reversal, candle closed here, opened here. Candle closed here, opened here. So you have a very big support area here, which is not advisable to use unless you really understand price action. So we are just going to keep to SNR trades following market direction. You can see buyers are now having trouble crossing this level. The BB1 and the round level is being respected. Okay, you're having rejection. And you can see based on these two candles and now the third candle forming that market direction is actually going upwards. And you can see 20 EMA respected again here, here. So I told you strong pressure candle to break, broke the 20 EMA, retest candle shows respect, second test respected. So this should break out. So let's see if we get a rejection from below. If this candle closes above the 20 EMA and you get a rejection below, you can use this as an SNR to actually follow the market direction and call. So let's watch and see if this candle is able to break, which doesn't look the case at the moment. So you can see market direction is actually upwards. And you can see respect, 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 round level respected because this closed above but opened below, way below. So this round level is very strong based on current price action. This candle was an attempt by buyers to break, fail, and you have market coming down. So we're going to take this trade from this round level. So this is a trade that is going against the market direction. Market direction is actually down, but this candle showed me from this rejection here that there are a lot of buyers waiting at this round level, and now this round level is actually diverging with the BB1 deviation, and you can see this is what happens when you go against the market direction. So market direction is currently down. So we can use this as a support, as a resistance to actually do a put trade. As you can see, the market is slowly rejecting. Still waiting for good rejection to confirm the ITM. Yes, candle is slowing down, slowing down, slowing down. Yes, this is an ITM. You touch the BB1 and rejected back down. So this is an example of what most traders will do. Oh, okay, the thing is coming here. Okay, let's do a reversal trade. And this candle broke the level. So the most important thing, when a candle breaks, you must not be distorted. Oh, I lost the trade, and start blowing your account. Correct yourself, face the direction of the market, and use support and resistance in the right way. So now currently market is going down. Market is going downwards. So this candle broke the BB and the round level, came back up using this level, this BB1 line as a resistance, and you can see market is coming down. And you have a very huge Maribuzu red candle which is going crazy. And just to remember, today is OTC. So normally in OTC market you get a lot of strong direction, and it's not advisable to, not only on OTC but any market, to go against direction and use SNR as a reversal point unless you really see strong respect of a particular level and you know that market would actually reverse or retrace in that direction. So now we are in, oh, this is a very strong round level, 3000. So you see market trying to, buyers going up, price is being pushed back down, and now you have this BB2 deviation as a resistance to contain the buyers. So let's see what happens. And I'm going to do one more trade and before I end this video. So I hope this video is helps you, show you a bit better on how to observe live candle behavior and rejection better. So can you see on this candle, this BB2 deviation is behaving like a resistance now, and you can see rejection coming from here, and we also have another round level here. And now this candle opens exactly on the line. So I'm just going to watch this candle behavior. If I get a rejection, I'm going to call. It's going down. If I get a proper rejection, I'm going to do a call trade now. So let's see the live candle. It's going down. 080, 077, 078, 076, 078, 074. Okay, I'm going to go with a call. So let's see what happens on this last trade. Because based on the candle fluctuation, I believe that this candle should be able to close above this BB2 deviation line. So let me find the round level. And you saw the rejection. It came now, which confirms that we should be in ITM. And yes, and this is the round level that was actually respected. And you can see live candle analysis tells you a story. So this is a guaranteed green candle. As you see, buyers are already entering here, and you can use body reversal also. And you can see this candle, buyers entered, and you have another level that you can plot, this body reversal level here, be able to break this big buying candle, but contained by this round number. Candle opened above, BB2 deviation was still acting as a resistance, push price lower, but not low enough to show us that this candle will actually be a green candle. So I hope you like this video, and hope to help you a bit better to understand current price action with EMAs and BB line as support and resistance following market direction. So if you like the video, do a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And this is the Wolf signing out. And I hope you currently we're still on support and resistance, so I hope this video helps you to understand support resistance a bit better and how to apply it with regards to current price action. Thank you guys. This is the Wolf signing out. Have a good weekend. Take care and bye bye.